Hello children, welcome back to science class. In the last class we had discussed about sedimentary rocks. How the sedimentary rocks are formed? Yes, sedimentary rocks are formed from older rocks that have been broken into tiny fragments which are carried to the water bodies by wind and rain and which can form sediments. And when these sediments are crushed by the weight of the other layers above, and over millions of years, these layers change into rocks. And such rocks are known as sedimentary rocks. And we also discussed about the types of sedimentary rocks. Which are the types of sedimentary rocks? Sandstone, limestone, shale, conglomerates. Which are the types of sedimentary rocks? Sandstone, limestone, shale, conglomerates. We also learned the uses of these types of rocks. And today we can discuss about another type of rock, that is metamorphic rock. Metamorphic rock, METAMORPHIC, metamorphic rock. Metamorphic rocks are formed from other rocks. Which are the other rocks? Yes, it is igneous rocks and sedimentary rocks. We learned about igneous rock, how the igneous rock is formed. Igneous rock is formed from molten rocks and sedimentary rocks are formed from older rocks. And the metamorphic rocks are the rocks that have gone through some changes. And they were originally sedimentary or igneous rocks. And you know children, deep inside the earth, the temperature and pressure is very high. And because of this high temperature and pressure, there will be some changes in the minerals present in these rocks. And these changes will make some changes in their appearance and it will make them more tougher and harder. Okay, this is how the metamorphic rocks are formed. See, these are metamorphic rocks. Okay, and now we can study which are the different types of metamorphic rocks. Which are the different types of metamorphic rocks? Have you heard about marble? Yes, marble is a type of metamorphic rock. And other one is quartzite. What is it? Quartzite. And the third one is slate. Slate. And the fourth one is gneiss. Gneiss. Okay, now we can see how these types of rocks were formed and what are their uses. See children, first of all we can see how the marble were formed. Okay, see, this is marble. And as we told before, I told you this metamorphic rock is formed from, yes, see, igneous rocks or sedimentary rock. Here the marble is formed when limestone. What is limestone? Yes, limestone is a type of sedimentary rock. Marble is formed when limestone undergoes changes. How these changes are happening? Yes, because of the high temperature and pressure. Okay, and this marble can be carved and polished easily. Okay, it is formed when limestone undergoes changes. Okay, how the marble is formed? How marble is formed when limestone undergoes changes. And what is the speciality of marble, you know? Marble can be carved and polished easily. And there are different colored marbles. Which are different colored marbles, you know. White colored marble is grey, pink, green. Then black color also is present. And what are the uses of this marble? I will show you some uses. Marble is used for making statues. Can you see some types of statues here? Yes. So, marble is used for making statues. And it is also used for making some types of tiles. Can you see tiles here? Here, different colored tiles you can see. These all are made from marbles. And marble is also used for making monuments. You know, different types of monuments. Taj Mahal. See, this is made from, yes, marble. So, different types of monuments are also made from marble. Because I told you children, marble can be carved and polished easily. Because of this property, we can use them for making statues, then tiles, then monuments, etc. Okay, now did you understand what is marble, how is it formed, and what are the uses of marbles? Okay, now we can see which is the next type of metamorphic rock. That is quartzite. What is it? Quartzite. What is the spelling of quartzite? Quartzite. Quartzite. Quartzite is formed from sandstone. As we studied before, sandstone is also a type of sedimentary rock. Quartzite is formed from sandstone. It is hard and tough. So, it is used for making monuments. These are quartzite. And quartzite is formed from sandstone. And what are the uses of quartzite? See, it is used for making monuments. Because I told you they are very hard and tough. So, we can use them for making monuments. Means buildings. Okay. So, these all types of monuments are made by using quartzite stones. And here children, now we can see another uses of quartzite. It is also used for making statues. Can you see some statues here? Yes, these all statues are made from quartzite. Okay, and some other uses are also there. What is it? It is used for making monuments. See, and it is also used for making jewelries. You know jewelries. Yes, these all types of stones are made from quartzite. Okay, so we can see what are the uses of quartzite. It is used for making monuments, statues, yes, and is also used for making jewelry. Okay, then see children, next type of metamorphic rock. Its name is slate. S-L-A-T-E, slate. And you know children, see, this is slate. And slate is formed from shale. What is it? Shale. And you studied shale is also a type of sedimentary rock. So, slate is formed from shale. Okay, and it splits easily into thin sheets. You can see from this picture, you can see some thin sheets here. So, this slate can be divided or it can be split into thin sheets. And it is found in many colors. And it is used for making many things. I will show you children some uses of slate. First of all, it is used for making rooftops. Roof tiles. You know roof tiles? Yes. So, these roof tiles are made by using slate. And other uses, have you seen slate? Yes, you were used it when you were very small children. Okay, and you used it for writing with slate pencil. So this is called slate. This slate is also made from slate stones. Okay, and we can also make blackboard by using slate. Okay, so can you tell me which are the uses of slate? Yes, slate is used for making slates, writing slates, then blackboards and roof tiles of buildings. Okay, and children, now we can see which is the next type of metamorphic rock, and its name is gneiss. What is it? Gneiss, and its spelling is Gneiss. What is it? Gneiss. Nice. And it is pronounced as nice. Okay, that G is silent there. And it is formed from igneous rock, which is called granite. Okay, so gneiss is formed from granite. You know, granite is a type of igneous rock. And you know, children, it is always shiny because it contains a type of mineral, shiny mineral. This mineral is called mica. What is it? Mica. So, what is gneiss? Yes, gneiss is formed from granite. You know, children, it is coarse grain. What is coarse grain? Yes, rough grain, and has irregular bands of different colors. Can you see some types of design over that? Yes, these designs will be there with different colors. And it often glitters. Glitters means, yes, often shining will be there because it contains a shiny material. What is that material called? Mica. What is it? Mica. Okay, and see, children, what are the uses of gneiss? Gneiss is used for construction. Okay, for building walls. Can you see here? Gneiss is used. Gneiss stones are used for making these walls. Okay, because it is very tough. Okay, so okay, children. So that much about the types of metamorphic rocks. Okay, now what all things we studied today? We studied about metamorphic rocks, and we told about they were originally sedimentary or igneous rocks, and we discussed about different types of metamorphic rocks. Which are the different types of metamorphic rocks? Marble, quartzite, slate and gneiss. Okay, so these are the different types of metamorphic rocks. Okay, so today is the time to wind up today's class, and the next day I will come with a new topic. Which topic you know? Wealth from rocks. Wealth from rocks. Okay, children. So we will meet in the next class. Okay, children. Thank you.